and check in on the forecast with Paul Hagan.
Yeah, coming to you from the virtual weather center with a look at what you need to know for the next few days. Get ready for the return of heat and humidity. It's going to be building today and tomorrow. And it's going to be steamy over the weekend, but scattered thunderstorms still possible over the weekend. Then we are tracking, giving you the first alert for extreme heat in the forecast by next week. Today, still tolerable. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast, and we are going to climb up to around 90 degrees this afternoon, but we're in the 60s right now. It feels good out there at the moment. The humidity isn't bad yet. It's not going to be awful today, but it is going to steadily increase, and by tomorrow, it's going to be much more noticeable. You see this on the muggy meter. Once it goes up, with very few hourly exceptions, we're going to be running in the muggy to humid categories through the 7-day forecast, and that makes the air temperature reaching up into the low to even mid-90s this weekend feel even hotter. Heat index feels like temperatures up to around or even above 100 degrees over the weekend, and then increasing even more as we head into next week. Now, initially, we thought that feels like temperature would be even higher as we head into the weekend. The forecast has shifted a little bit, so I want to talk the big picture pattern here, and I mean the really big picture pattern here. We got to look at the entire planet, or at least our corner of it, and kind of look at a continental scale, because while the warming trend is going to start today, it really has to do with what's happening around us. We tend to think of the weather as something just happens locally, or maybe just in the Carolinas, but it's a flow of air around the entire world, and that flow is going to be sending our temperatures upwards as we do head into the weekend. But the heart of this hot air mass is still going to be centered out to our west and southwest over the weekend, which leaves us on the edge of it. That allows for some thunderstorms to make a run towards us from the northwest, or the potential for thunderstorms to just develop in the heat and humidity as we go through the weekend. Saturday and Sunday afternoons still unsettled, so be flexible with any outdoor plans. And then we wind the clock farther forward. This is when the heat dome really sets up overhead. That mountain of air is going to be directly overhead basically as we head towards the middle and end of next week. That compresses the air at ground level, really heats it up. It also suppresses the development of any showers and thunderstorms. So while our temperatures are really going to go up, our rain chances are going to be going down. Let's talk temperatures first, and you see the climb that we are in for here. Mid-90s over the weekend, but then upper 90s as we head towards Independence Day weekend, and that puts us close to record territory. We'll come back to that in just a second. As the temperatures go up, the rain chances do the opposite. We go from around 40% over the weekend down to just that 20% isolated storm chance for most of next week. Again, that heat dome overhead really suppressing the development of any clouds, much less any showers or thunderstorms. In terms of record territory, we're going to be close, especially by Friday and Saturday, Independence Day. Now, these are days 9 and 10 of the extended forecast. It's a long way down the line, but it looks like we're going to be at least flirting with records beginning Thursday, but especially Friday and Saturday of next week. Let's focus on the 7-day forecast. You see that steady increase in temperatures as we go through the weekend and into next week, but still over the weekend, be flexible with any outdoor plans because of that chance of afternoon and evening scattered showers and thunderstorms, even an outside chance of a couple of stronger storms here and there. Not a huge severe weather threat, but something that we'll continue to monitor in the First Alert forecast. Naya's here checking your First Alert traffic on this Thursday morning.
First Alert traffic is sponsored by Campbell